Why are you laughing?
She's just like, huh?
It's like a little cafe. With all the pigeons at the top.
Oh, wow. I do not like pigeons. They creep me out. I'm not really a bird person. Yeah, no, I just accepted that she was.
Yes.
Easy to
Yeah.
accept her as she was.
Yes. I don't like pigeons either. Other birds I'm okay with, but not pigeons. Hello.
There's work on
Oh
well.
so the shop's over here. So no book. They didn't book any tours. Right. Gotcha.
Apparently she saw one, but it was like 500.
500. That's a lot. Sorry. Go over there. That little place. You okay with that? What's that like? It's like a little cafe. Careful.
Coming out of nowhere.
It's literally crazy. Sorry, I tried to put it down for you automatically. I didn't know if you want to.
No, that's
I don't know if
fine.
you
I
want to
was
do
just
it
like-
yourself.
No, that's all good. I don't like doing that. So I was like, easy done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suka. Cambridge, Darjani Suk. Whew. That.
That was easy. I hate looking for sunny.
Okay. So maybe we'll go have. Cody. It's okay, brother. Thank you.
Sasa mwanangu
Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna go here. There's some place over there.
That lady was funny as well because I was like, she's the same color as you. Can I like
Is that what she
put
said?
it against your? No, that's what I said to her. I was like, can I put it against your skin?
I was gonna say.
She's like, okay.
It's okay, brother.
Oh, good, thank you.
No, it's okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you. No, I'm good.
I was like, where does everyone come out of?
I know. Today seems to be very pushy.
Tiny little, like little
That's
buttons.
right.
Good,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah,
Yeah, like she always wears like small dainty things.
yeah.
I think she'll like.
That's nice. The people are pushy today. I don't know what's going on. You cat, hello. Many cats in this road. Sorry, cat. Hi. Hello. Why do I have the Mexican flag here?
Mexican flag.
Yeah.
Aww.
Carnival of flavors. Oh, it's a Mexican restaurant. That's why. There's water here too.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
What do you
I'll
reckon?
ask if they have cold. They have cold. If not, I'm not going there. I'm not gonna get it.
No, that's fair.
Maybe I'll get a big one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, stocking up. Hello, boss.
Hello, sir.
Do you happen to have a cold one? No.
Cold.
Cold.
Oh yeah. Oh, hello.
Oh,
Hello.
Okay, I did not see you
I
there.
nearly just touched you.
Well, there's too many
Do you want to have a
people
look at the gelato now?
No,
Yeah,
no.
but they're all like eating ice cream, so there shouldn't be too many people in line.
Let's have a look.
Everyone seems to have an ice cream.
Let's have a look. Hi, how you going? Good to hear. Why are you laughing?
She's just like, huh?
Why are you laughing?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Embrace me.
No. Thank you. I might try the coconut Nutella
Yeah, the coconut Nutella sounds nice.
or mango, but I feel like I've had many mangoes already. What do you feel like? Are you gonna get anything? You're not.
I'm full. I know. I was like, oh.
What's your favorite?
Cookie.
This one? Nice.
I'm good, thank you. I'm full.